what's up? Today Volcano closed, and honestly, it's kind of depressing because I really was excited about riding Volcano this year, and it looked really good, and it's the only LNSM, the only of its kind launch coaster. I'm gonna say that, and I'm really sad about it. And for you King's Dominion lovers out there, yeah, I feel even worse for you guys. You guys probably wanted it there and didn't want it to leave. So I really feel bad for you because this looks amazing. From what you can tell from it, it looks really good. My mom actually, this was her most anticipated ride of the year that we would ride for sure, and she's really sad about it getting removed. But yeah. Anyway, guys, this is honestly kind of sad. I don't know. I don't really have anything to say because I've never rode it. But anyway, guys, I'm Isaac D, and I'll see you guys next time.